student of class 8, I am going to start sum number 18. In an examination, 60% of 250 candidates passed. If the number of successful candidates would be 70%, then find the addition number of students that would pass. In the first part, sum number 18. In the first part of the question, number of passed student equal to 60% of 250. That equal to 60 by 100 into 250. This is equal to 150. In the second part of the question, number of passed student equal to 70% of 250. Then that is equal to 70 by 100 into 250. 175. Let the additional number of students that would be passed equal to x. So 175 equal to 150 plus x according to the question. ATP means according to the question. Here x is the number of additional student that will be added to this. Then the passed student is 175. So x equal to 175 minus 150, that is equal to 25. So number of additional student equal to 25. Next sum. Sum number 19. In an alloy of copper, zinc and tin, there is 40% copper and 45% zinc. Find the weight of tin in 120 kg of this alloy. Sum number 19. The quantity of copper equal to 40%. The quantity of zinc equal to 45%. The total quantity of alloy equal to 100%. 100. So the quantity of tin equal to 100 minus 40 plus 45%. Okay. So this is equal to 100 minus 85%, that is equal to 15%. Now the weight of tin, in 120 kg of alloy equal to 15% of 120 kg, that is 50 by 100 into 120 kg, that is 5, 2, 2, 6, that is 18 kg. That is quantity of tin in 120 kg equal to 18 kg. 18 kg is the answer. Next sum. Sum number 20. In an examination, 34% students failed in arithmetic and 42% students failed in algebra. If 20% students failed in both, the percentage, find the percentage of students passed in both subjects. Here, I will discuss this sum by Venn diagram. This is Venn diagram. This is arithmetic portion. This is algebra portion. Okay. This portion is common to arithmetic plus algebra. Okay. Here, question is 34% students failed in arithmetic. This quote is for total this quote is for arithmetic, and here 20% student is failed in both arithmetic and algebra, and only 34% student failed in arithmetic. That means this is 34 minus 20. This is equal to 14%. You will see. You see, 14% plus 20%. This total block is for arithmetic. So you will see 20 plus 14, that equal to 34%. Total 34%. That means only failed student in arithmetic is 14%. Only student failed in arithmetic is 14%, and in algebra is failed student total 42%. Common is 20%, that is 42 minus 20. This is equal to 22% student, and only in algebra. Failed student only in algebra 20, only in algebra 22. But this block or this field is for algebra. 20 plus 22 equal to 42. 22 is common for arithmetic and algebra. Here it is given that in an examination 34% students failed in arithmetic. For 20 and 14, that is 34%, and 42% failed in algebra. 20 plus 22, that means algebra. In both 20% student failed. Okay, this is the Venn diagram. That means I can write total student 100, total strength 100. In 100, total failed student 14, 20 and 22. 14, 20 and 22. Only percentage of students failed. Percentage of students failed. Only arithmetic equal to 14%. Only algebra equal to 22%, and both the subject equal to 20%. Okay. That means total percentage of failed student equal equal to 14 plus 20 plus 22%, that is equal to 56%. That means total percentage of per student minus 56, total strength 100, that is equal to 44%. Okay. Percentage of student passed in both subject equal to 44. Okay. I am ending here. Next sum will come in next video.